Hi ladies, welcome to my channel, Healing with Love, Ashley Elaine. Today, we're diving into a deeply personal and empowering topic, rebuilding trust in your intuition after experiencing abuse. I know personally that this journey can be incredibly challenging, but learning to trust your inner voice again is crucial to healing and reclaiming your power. So let's explore how you can reconnect with your intuition through 3 meaningful practices that will invite transformation and teach you how to extend grace to yourself. Practice number 1, understanding and acknowledging past experiences. The first one is all about understanding and acknowledging your past experiences. Abuse can significantly impact your ability to trust yourself and your instincts. It's essential to recognize that your intuition may have been clouded by fear and self-doubt. Start by reflecting on moments when you felt your gut was telling you something important, but you dismissed it. Take a moment to write these instances down and acknowledge the validity of these feelings. Here are some journal prompts to get you started. When did I feel my intuition was warning me? How did I feel when I ignored my intuition? When you allow space for yourself to do some personal investigation and understand your past experiences, you begin to invite in transformation. Be very conscious, though, of yourself staying stuck in those past experiences and remind yourself that your experiences, favorable and unfavorable, hold a ton of wisdom. When you remind yourself that the goal is forward movement, it becomes easier for you to go into these experiences, look at what you need to take with you, and scurry right on out. Acknowledging these moments with grace allows you to process and move forward. Remember, this is not about blame or guilt. It's about recognizing and validating your inner voice. Practice number 2, practice being present and self-compassion. Another meaningful practice that has been such a gracious one for me, and one that is probably my favorite practice, which sounds kind of crazy, is the practice of being present and holding grace and compassion for yourself. The practice of being present helps you stay aware and attuned to your body's signals. Some simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or even a mindful walk can help you reconnect with yourself. Let's take a moment to practice a brief breath work together. So go ahead and find a comfortable seated posture and begin to bring your gaze down your nose or close your eyes completely. When you settle in, take a nice big inhale and exhale. As you find yourself moving through these inhales and exhales, just pay attention to any sensations that you're feeling in your body, where you feel them in your body. Do you feel them on the inhale or the exhale? Now begin to envision a warm, soft, and bright light. You can give that light a color of your choice. And just notice what you're feeling in this moment. As you inhale, breathe in what it is that you want more of. And as you exhale, allow yourself to release what you no longer need to hold on to. And when you're ready, you can slowly blink the eyes open, coming back into this space. And just take a moment to investigate. What are you feeling? What are you noticing? What senses do you feel? What do you notice that has shifted just in that little moment of time from before you did that practice to after? These practices that allow you to practice being present naturally invite in the practice of extending grace and compassion to yourself. The power of being present will bring things to the surface that the body wants you to know. And this is where we extend back to ourselves that grace, that love, compassion, and patience. Acknowledge that healing is a process, right? Getting back to or finding, tapping into our intuition is a practice. Each moment you allow yourself to practice being present, note that as a victory in you rebuilding your trust to your intuition. Embrace this transformation with grace, knowing that you are moving towards a healthier and more empowered version of yourself. Our third practice is trusting your inner voice in small decisions. Now, we've been talking about this being a practice, right? And I think this last practice is where we really start to begin to trust ourselves, right? It's these little things, these little moments. The last meaningful practice that I want to offer to you today is about trusting your inner voice in these small decisions, right? We have to start small. We have to start somewhere. Start small with like these low stake choices. What am I going to eat for dinner? Or what book should I read next? Pay attention to how these decisions feel in your body. What you witness after you make these small decisions. Is your body feeling more relaxed? Are you feeling more tense? Do you still feel uncertain? What have you noticed unfold for you or around you after you made this decision? Is it more chaos or is it more peace? As you become more comfortable trusting your gut in these small matters, you can gradually apply this trust to more significant decisions like, should I move to another state? Is it time for me to leave my job? We want to celebrate each moment that we begin to trust ourselves. So make sure you're celebrating all of these small moments where you start to listen and tap back into your intuition, no matter how big or how small. These victories build confidence and reinforce your inner wisdom. Embrace grace in each decision, knowing that you are honoring your divine self. Rebuilding trust in your intuition after you've experienced abuse, sis, I know it's hard. You don't want to make another wrong turn. You don't want to make another unsound decision. You don't want to let love and emotions keep guiding you. But it's a journey. It's a journey of just learning yourself and discovering yourself and empowering yourself. And it's filled with so many moments of transformation and learning how to extend grace to yourself. It takes being very intentional with your daily routines and practices that clear your energy and strengthen you spiritually. Understanding your past, practicing being present, holding grace and compassion for yourself, and trusting your inner voice in these small moments and these small decisions, you can and will reclaim your intuitive power. I'd love to hear your story. Have you started to trust your gut again? Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on healing, personal growth, purpose, all of the things. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care.